All right, Stephen coming to you live today from Suwanee, Georgia. It's November 9th. We'll get right down to the point here. Wintertime's coming. Shorter days are upon us. In fact, from now until December 21st, being the shortest day of the year, they will get shorter every day. Daylight will come and leave us quicker than before. So with nighttime driving, you'd want to make sure on your vehicle that the headlights are doing their job. This is a long-term client of ours, 20 years, faithful client. I thank you for the faithfulness of my clients. This is not their daily driver. This is a secondary vehicle, but their family still uses this truck to get around. The headlights on this truck are oxidized. They're not putting that amount of light that you need to be safe in driving. So what we will do, we will sand down all the dead plastic of this lens by starting at a 800 grit sandpaper and then going all the way up to a 3000 grit, which will remove the finer scratches. Then we will polish the lens for ultra clarity. Then we will apply a long-term ceramic coating, which will prevent any future damage to the lens. If you're concerned about the safety of your family, the nighttime driving, and winter coming, give us a call, 770-380-3261. Look us up on the web, usautospa.com. As always, thank you.